Yo, Phil, come check this shit out I just posted on Facebook, man. It's hilarious. Phil? Phil?
Shit, got a text message. Phil, it's Matt. I know you're driving. Just want to make sure. Just want to make sure you're safe. Text me back immediately because driving is dangerous. Hey Matt, thanks for checking up on me. I will make sure I text you back every 2 minutes I'm driving so you know I'm safe.